Welcome to March's Leetcode challenge. Today's problem, or this problem, is called best time to buy and sell stock with transaction fee. You are given an array of prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day, and an integer fee representing a transaction fee. Find the maximum profit you can achieve. You may complete as many transactions as you like. So if we've seen this problem before, but now it's got a little caveat of what if we have a transaction fee? Like, what's the difference there? Well, like, you can imagine if it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or something like that. It doesn't make sense to like keep selling it for $1 profit if the transaction fee is greater. So that could change our answer a little, but our approach is still going to be the same. What we'll do is we'll have two variables here that we need to store. We're going to go greedy and say one for the profit and one for our position that we're going to be staying in. So you could think of this as, to give you a hint, like there's two legal states: you own a stock or you do own a stock. That's kind of like what's going on here. In the position, what you're representing there is if you held the stock, and at the very first position we could buy, let's say, the very first price. So that would be the position that you can take if you were to buy something, right? And the profit's going to be 0 because we can't sell anything yet. So what we'll do is say for I in range of, starting from the second element to the length of prices, we're going to first get the maximum position that we can get. So that's either going to be position itself, or it would be what? The profit minus prices of I, right? Yeah, and at that point, we don't actually take a transaction fee. That's going to happen when we take our profit here. So this would be the max of profit, or the position plus prices of I. But don't forget, we also need to subtract the fee from our profit here. So whatever's the maximum here, we're going to store that. And then we can just return our profit. Let's see if this works. This should be the same. Looks like it does, so let's submit it. There we go, accepted. So this is O of n, constant space. I think it's a great method, and really, I mean, they tried to kind of like trick you by putting this fee thing here, but it really doesn't make any difference to our algorithm. It'll still remain with this. So, okay, thanks for watching my channel. Remember, do not trust me. I know nothing.